make the new standard of practical tools.
I love my smart shovel.
Smart shovel is insanely durable.
Heart rate sensor keeps me from overdoing it.
Work smarter, not harder.
What if I told you that this entire ad of that smart shovel was created with AI? And the most interesting part is that you can do the same, literally without any work, just pasting a product link and waiting for a couple of minutes. You can have your product ad ready while having your coffee. No need for scripts, models, or a high-budget production. Today, I'm taking you inside Higgsfield AI to show you the fastest way to create high-converting ads using click-to-ad. Trust me, after seeing this, you'll never make ads the same way again. So what is click-to-ad? It is Higgsfield's AI-powered ad creation tool. Think of it like having a full creative team. Scriptwriters, editors, animators, and even a spokesperson, all inside your browser. This tool is perfect for e-commerce stores, social media managers, small businesses, agencies, dropshippers, and really anyone who needs fast, scroll-stopping content. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact workflow to create high-performing ads in just a few clicks. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. I have also made other videos on Higgsfield before. You can check those too after finishing this one. Now let's go to the website, check the video description, you'll get the link there. The link will take you directly to this interface. Or you can search for Higgsfield on Google and come to this website. Make sure to create an account and log in when you first come to the website. Then hover over video and choose Click to Ad. After coming to the page, you can see a very simple and easy to use interface. Here you can see this section where it says, you can create your AI video ad in 3 easy steps. First, add your product link. Then choose a style to create the ad and finally generate the video. It is that easy. Here are some examples of what you can create with this. Now let's create our own ad video. Go back to the top. Here you will see this box to enter product page URL. If you don't have a product page for your product, then you can also do it with just images and few details. We will see that as well. Just stick with me. First, let's get a link of a product page that we want to turn into a video ad. I am using this chair, for example. This is the product page of this chair, so I will copy the page link. Then going back to Higgsfield, I'll just paste the link here. Do the same for your own product. Then click on the Continue button. Now, this tool will take the link and extract all the necessary information from the website to create the video. More information on the website will help it create better ad video. You can see the progress as it goes through different steps. It takes a minute or two. Then you can see all the details of your product, like the description of the product, images of the product, and also logo and brand colors. Though it is normally very accurate, you can still make changes if it gets anything wrong sometime. Once you think that everything is right, click the Continue button. Then you can select a style for the ad. There are 10 different styles. Check these and choose one that best aligns with your product. Let's try the simple UGC one first. Now you can specify the quality of the video. Click on this button and you will see 3 different options: standard, high, and premium. Here I'm going to select the premium one. If you need higher quality, you can choose the premium option, but it needs a lot of credits. So just use the standard quality. If you don't need full HD, it costs only 38 credits. Now just hit the generate button. It might take a few minutes, as you can see the progress. The generation is done. Check out the video.
I finally found a chair that doesn't make my back ache. I switched to the Grid X Hayworth Fern chair. Adjustable, breathable, and supportive for all-day work. Highly recommend it.
You see, the quality of the ad is actually amazing, like real ads that we have seen, but with just a few clicks. I am trying another style for this product to see what difference it creates. Higgsfield keeps all the information saved, so no need to do everything from start. This product story style should be good for the chair. Let's select this one, then generate the video.
Experience. Grid by Haworth Fern, an ergonomic, breathable, fully adjustable task chair designed for all-day comfort and modern offices. Refined materials, standout support, built to elevate work.
It really created a different style. So you can create multiple ads for the same product by just using different styles. Let's try a different product. For example, I am using this beauty product, which should be a very common category. So I am copying this link and pasting it here in the box like before and repeating the same steps. Now for the style, let's select the unboxing style this time. And hit the generate button. This is the result.
I've been dying to try this Tiam Vita B3 Source, lightweight niacinamide serum that brightens, evens tone, and smooths texture. Love it already.
You can actually use this for ads. Now, say that you don't have a product page like these products, or you want to just use the images you have and enter all information manually. In that case, you can also build from scratch. Click on this below the Continue button. Now, enter the name and a description of the product. It actually matters, so make sure you add everything properly. Then, add a few images of the product and upload the logo of the brand here. Also select the brand color. I have added these information. Now continue. Then, like before, you'll get to select a style for ad. I am selecting this one. Finally, hit the Generate button.
Lightweight brightening serum with niacinamide and arbutin visibly evens skin tone, reduces dark spots, and controls oil. Use daily for brighter, clearer skin and a strengthened skin barrier.
Result is just like previous ones. And that's how you turn a simple product link into a fully polished, high-converting ad with Higgsfield Click to Add. Fast, easy, and totally on brand. So who is this tool perfect for? Anyone who needs fast, high-quality ads. If creative speed matters to your business, this tool will save you hours. Do you have any queries? Don't hesitate to leave a comment. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one.